Multi-fiber, high dirt trapping media. Traps up to 99% of dirt, soot and other damaging debris, based on ISO 5011 on A24278. Replace every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Refer to your owner's manual for recommended maintenance schedules for your vehicle. A new air filter can improve acceleration by up to 11%, US DOE study. Helps prevent engine wear. Replacing an air filter every 12 months or 12,000 miles can have a significant impact on engine performance and efficiency. PurolatorONE air filters trap up to 99% of dirt, dust, soot and other debris, helping to protect your engine from damage. A new air filter may also help prevent engine wear, improve fuel efficiency and can even improve acceleration by up to 11%, US DOE study. PurolatorONE air filters are widely available for most passenger cars and light trucks on the road today. Changing your air filter regularly is an easy way to keep your engine running at peak performance. Top reviews from the United States. A good substitute for OEM. I could not get an OEM air filter, so I tried this one. I compared it to the OEM filter and didn't see any difference.